I'm going to start my manicure by creating fluid art using Dance Legend Spotted Black. You want to apply the Dance Legend to wet polish on your nails. You want to apply it throughout your nail using various brush strokes. Then you just let it sit and it will create the cells for you. Then I'm going to clean up the excess around my edges using a cleanup brush. Cleanup brushes come in a variety of shapes, and you can find the one that works best for you. Right now, I'm using a rounded cleanup brush. Next, I'm going to create a holographic spiderweb using Moira's foil stamping polish. Foil stamping polish works the same way as any regular stamping polish. Foil polish leaves a sticky base which can be used to apply foil or pigment powders. Once I apply my stamp, I'm going to gently apply my holographic powder by brushing it all over the stamp. You're going to want to let the powder sit on your nail for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, you're going to brush off the excess holographic powder. You can see here that the holographic powder has stayed adhered to my stamp. Now I'm going to apply a water-based top coat. Water-based top coats are great because they don't dull holographic powders. They may not be as durable as a regular top coat, which is why you'll want to sandwich this water-based top coat underneath a regular top coat.